Namaste children, welcome to maths class. Today I am going to tell you how to order the numbers. The topic is ordering of numbers. There are two ways we can order the numbers. One is ascending order and second one is descending order. So first we will know how to order a number in ascending order and then the descending order using a place value chart. In the last class I have explained you how to write a place value chart. Next, we all know how to write a place value chart. Ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. This is place value chart. This is a basic place value chart, you all know. So using this, how can we write? Example. I'll take an example of 63, 54, 82, 43, 75. This is example. Now I have to put these numbers in ascending order. So first we have to take place value chart. Now write those numbers. 63, 54, 82, 43, 75. You have to write the same numbers as it is. And then ascending means smaller. What is smaller here? 6, 5, 8, 4, 7. All of this 4 is smaller. And next smaller number is 5. And next smaller number is 6. Next one is 7. Next one is 8. Yes. First look up the tens. If you have 3 numbers, you have to look the hundreds place. If you have 4 numbers, you have to look after the thousands place. Okay. And 5, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes. So 4 number is 3. We have to write same. 5 means 4. 6 means 3. 75. 82. Smaller number to bigger number. Yes. The same thing applies to descending. For descending, bigger to smaller, bigger to smaller, getting down. So, bigger number 8. Next bigger number 7. Next bigger number 6. Next bigger number is 5. Next bigger number is 4. Okay. Now, 8 for 8 is 82. 7 is 75. 6, 63. For 5, 54. For 4, 43. This is descending order. Next we will take example of numbers which is having equal tens place. Equal tens place. Let's take 53, 56, 51, 58. All are equal. Tens place. Same, right? The same numbers 53, 56, 51 and 51 and 58. Fine. Now we have to arrange them in ascending and descending order. First here ascending, here descending. All the tens place are same. I told you to look after the tens place first. So when all the tens place are same, you have to go to the ones place. Okay. Ascending means smaller to bigger. So what is the smallest number in this? 1. And next smaller number 3. First write all 5s. 1, 2, 3, 4. All 5 same. So smaller number 1. Next smaller number 3. Next smaller number is 6. Next smaller number is 8. This is ascending order. Next descending. All the tens place are same. Descending. Bigger to smaller. What is the biggest number? 8. Next one is 6. Next is 3. Next is 1. Fine. The same thing applies to the 3-digit numbers and 4-digit numbers also. Now let's see how to write ascending and descending order of numbers for 3 digits. 206, 31, 268, 241, 256. Now write the place value chart and write the numbers as it is. 231, 268, 241, 256. Right? Now all the hundreds values are same. So write 2, 2, 2, 2. Now look after the tens place. Ascending order. Ascending smaller to bigger. Smaller number is 3. Next smaller number 4. Next smaller number 5. Next smaller number 6. Next ones place 231, 241, 256, 268. Ascending order from smaller to bigger. So descending order is bigger to smaller from down to up. Fine. Thank you.